What you're seeing right here is the skylines of Singapore. And right now I'm actually in my hotel in the Marina Bay Sands. And what if I told you that this entire vacation, this entire hotel is paid for by the internet, right? And all I do is one single thing, and that is sending out simple emails from the comfort of my room without writing a single word. Okay, you heard that right. So what I do to earn all my income to pay off for this vacation is to send out simple emails without writing a single word. Now, just look at my screen over here, okay? So just yesterday, I managed to generate over $4,000, and this itself has paid off for my entire vacation. Over the last 7 days, I've generated over $43,000 here, and in the last 30 days, over $76,000. And these are my daily earnings. Okay, and I'm just going to show you another account that I have. So here you can see on this other platform, I've generated an average of $500 all the way to $1,000 every single day on top of the platform that you just witnessed before this. Now I'm just going to show you real quick what some of the other members are experiencing. Okay, so here you can see that we have people like Stefan, who has made over $226 right in a single day. With people like Gabe, has made over $1,000 in a single week. All right, and they just joined the system in less than 7 days. And here you can see people like Bernard, who has made over $300 in a single day. All right, and you know, the proof just goes on and on and on. And I'm just going to show you, look at that. That's Emmanuel, who has made over $480 right in a single week. And also members like Ching Pong, who have made over $20,000 in a single month. And there you can see those are his daily earnings as well. So guys, I'm not the only one who is making money online sending simple emails. In fact, all my students right there that you have seen are doing the exact same thing. And guys, this video is too short for me to show you how this works. So what I've done is to create a free, absolutely free web class for you to also discover how you too can start sending simple emails from the comfort of your home and start making life-changing income without writing a single word. Yes, that means no technical skills involved, no overheads involved, no employees involved, no shipping involved, nothing of that complicated sort. Everything is dead simple, and all you do is to basically send out emails from comfort of your home to afford such stays and vacations anywhere in the world. So if you'd like to join us, all you gotta do is click on the link around this video, right? Grab your spot, because spots are limited. There's a limit to how many people I can host in the platform. So grab your spot, right, and start experiencing the life that you truly deserve. Click on the link around this video, and I'll see you in the live training.